everybody! Welcome back to my channel. It's Angela with Flip and Flutter Creations, here to bring you another Cricut crafting tutorial. Today we are going to learn all about how to use the new offset feature in Cricut Design Space. Yay, Cricut, for finally getting that feature. We love that. It saves us a lot of time with projects that we want to have that shadow effect, which is basically what the offset is. So I'm going to show you simple and easy how to use this. I've already typed out my word that I want to create the offset on. So I've got my hello here in my Desmond font bold, and I'm going to go ahead and create an offset on it. First, you want to figure out the size that you want. I think that looks pretty good. I usually like all my fonts to kind of touch, but I'm going to do a third layer on this, so we're going to see what it looks like. Now, there are two different options here. There's the rounded and the cornered. I don't really know why you want to use the cornered. To me, it looks very odd, but if somebody wants to explain down below why they use the cornered version, go ahead and drop it in the comments and let us know so that we know maybe there's some really cool feature of it. I always use the bubble looking one. The corner one gives it that bubbly shadow look. And you're going to go ahead and click apply. Ta-da! Now we have an awesome, very easy to create offset on our word. So I'm going to go ahead and put my word in purple. And I'm going to put my offset in white. Now, actually, I'm going to put it in black. Just kidding. There we go. Now, I probably could have made that a little bit thinner because I'm going to create a third offset. The way to create a shadow layer behind the shadow layer is to then select your offset layer over here, and you're going to go ahead and create an offset on that. So once you click that, you can see how it's got that real big bubble outside of it. And I'm going to actually make it a little bit bigger because maybe I want to make this a sticker for something. So I'm going to go ahead and do it like that and click apply. Now I've got a really nice solid layer behind there. And I'm going to go ahead and make that third offset black and then make my second offset white. And then there you go. So, ta-da, super easy. I probably should have made the white one a little bit thinner, but I'm just playing with it for right now to see what it looks like. So there you go. Super easy way. You can make different kinds of words pop out, and it makes it super easy to create stickers as well. You could go ahead and flatten this, and then you could print it out as a printable print thin cut and do it as a sticker, which makes really cute little stickers or whatever you'd like to do with it. Now, not only can we do that with our fonts, we can also do it with images. So I'm just going to go in here. I'm just going to select a super quick image that's free from access there. And I've got this cute little carrot. Perfect. Easter's coming up. I'm going to go to offset and do exactly the same thing. Now I like how thick this layer is out here. And so I'm going to go ahead and click apply. But again, you can make it as small, as thin, or as thick as you would like. And now I'm going to make my offset black, and I'm going to make my carrot orange. Ta-da! And then maybe you want to add a happy Easter. And you could then offset your happy Easter. Maybe with that in black. I don't know. I'm just fiddling right now. Just totally playing. And let's put the words in black. There you go. And you could actually combine those and make yourself a really cool looking little happy Easter sticker. There you go. Super easy. We love that Cricut has given us this ability to use the offset. So thank you so much for that. Before you had to go into all these other steps to create that shadow layer. And this makes it so much quicker and so much easier. And also makes you want to possibly do a little bit more design work in Cricut Design Space itself instead of using a third-party app. So there you go. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If so, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see what's going on in my next video. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.